Are you struggling with uneven skin tone? If you've ever been feeling overwhelmed when it comes to your skin by skincare products, you don't know what to get to even at your skin, don't worry. We are starting from scratch in this video, especially if you're a beginner. You do not need so many products to get rid of uneven skin tone. I've been there too, and let me tell you, it's not a fun place to be. You need a serum targeted for dark spot, dullness, hyperpigmentation. You should be looking for brightening ingredients like licorice extract, alpha-butane, niacinamide. So I'm just going to keep it light. I don't want to push so many products in your face, so I'm just going to keep it light. So let's get started with the face cleanser. All you need is just few products: face cleanser, toner, serum, and your moisturizer, and of course your sunscreen. You need a sunscreen that has titanium dioxide, zinc oxide, and iron. These are the three things you should look for in your sunscreen, okay? And please remember, I'm not a dermatologist. I'm just sharing my experience and the products I do use when I'm having hyperpigmentation. So in order to get rid of uneven skin tone, you need to start your skincare routine with a gentle cleanser. Because if you use harsh product on your skin, like harsh cleanser, toners, and all that, you're going to damage your skin barrier. So you want to start off using a gentle cleanser. And the one I have here with me right now is the Cerave Foaming Gentle Cleanser. This cleanser is very gentle, does not strip the skin of your natural oils. So you can also use the hydrating cleanser or the La Roche-Posay. That one is super gentle. This is the one I'm using, and it's great and safe for daily use. So it does not have fragrance, which I like. You can also use Koji soap. Koji soap, you can use this twice a week because you don't want to exfoliate your skin too much. And then you use your CeraVe every other day. This two combo is going to help you even at your skin gently. For me, I do leave my Koji soap on my face for like 1 minute and then I rinsed it off because I don't want any irritation on my skin. Alright, so you need a very gentle toner, and the one I would recommend for you is the Revolution Skin Madelic acid, because Madelic acid is a very good acid toner to exfoliate your skin, but gently. Do not use glycolic and all that for a start. This is a brightening face toner. It exfoliates the skin gently without stripping your skin or causing irritation. It's even at your skin complexion. So this together with the CeraVe will be a great choice for you if you're a beginner. So you cleanse your face and then you use the Madelic acid face toner. You can get it anywhere online, Sephora, Amazon, Douglas. You can get this, okay? You need a serum targeted for dark spot, dullness, hyperpigmentation, and the one I have here, the Revox. This serum contains, let me show you the inside. So this serum is packed with a lot of brightening ingredients. It has alpha-butane, niacinamide, it has vitamin C, folic acid. Alpha-butane is great. It fades hyperpigmentation gently. It has azelaic acid and tranexamic acid. It's amazing for deeper hyperpigmentation if you're suffering with that. You can try product from the ordinary alpha-butane and the niacinamide from the ordinary, but I don't like the niacinamide from the ordinary. It's always like giving me rash when I'm using it, so I always look for product that contains. Sorry guys, I don't know what happened with my audio. It wasn't recording when I was filming this part of the video. I'm sorry about that. So like I was saying, I always look for product that contains these ingredients like alpha-butane, niacinamide in it, because the niacinamide from the ordinary always cause irritation on my skin. Please leave it in the comments if you've experienced this too. The Revox is a great product, guys. It's a Korean product, and you all know Korean has been like hitting the market hard, and everyone is getting skincare product from them. This is their serum, and it's packed with a lot of brightening ingredients. Like I said, alpha-butane, niacinamide, tranexamic acid, azelaic acid, folic acid. Oh my god, like I love the serum. I will leave the link in my description box below if I find it on Amazon, but I got this one from Douglas. And yeah, and the moisturizer I'm using right now is from Drunk Elephant Polopeptide Cream. And this moisturizer is expensive. I don't think I'll be getting it again. I'm thinking of getting the one from Notorium. That one is really good and moisturizing, packed with Queen. The glow up Queen for me is sunscreen. It's your protector. Sunscreen is like, I take sunscreen like a project, and I like to use the stick sunscreen, tinted sunscreen. No, this product is from France and it's Uriage. This is a great sunscreen. You don't have to use this one. I'm using this one because it has titanium dioxide, zinc oxide, and iron. That's why I'm using it. And it's also tinted, so it's literally like not seen when you use it. When it comes to sunscreen, we don't like that white cast. I don't like it, and I know you don't like it. Everyone is looking for a good sunscreen without white cast, but if you need the sun protection, you need a sunscreen that contains the iron and everything in it, especially for people of color. And this is the one I'm using, the Uriage, and this sunscreen is awesome. I use it whenever I'm going out. I like to use my powder foundation because it helps locked in. It helps to press the white cast. If I'm using the liquid, it's just mixed into my liquid foundation, and I don't like that. So I always like to use powder foundation. It's a tip. You're welcome. If you use powder foundation, when you're going out, no white cast is going to come through. Everyone is like looking for good sunscreen. And this one is the one I managed to find. I've used a lot of sunscreen, and this is the one that is working for me right now, and I'm loving it. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave it in the comments if there's any skincare video you would like to see from me. Leave it in the comment section and I'll reply your comments, because I'm back, and I'm back fully this time around. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.